Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute lion. Let's learn together how to draw a lion. At first, I'm going to draw his two cute eyes. Then his nose and mouth. Now I draw a circle shape for his head. And his two ears. Then his big fluffy hair here around his head. Now let's continue with his body, his four legs, and his fluffy tail. Finally, I draw some lines like this for the grass on the ground. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of our cute lion, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I color his nose and the inner part of his ears red. Then I use orange here for his hair. And his tail. I color his ears and head yellow. I use this light green marker around his nose. I use this blue marker for his body and legs. Then purple for his tail. Finally, I add some green for the grass and light blue into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.